Okay, today I want to show you this little tool. This is called the jeweled tool, and I bought this in 2007, and it's kind of a unique sharpening device because it lets you see what you're sharpening as you hold the tool underneath it. I think I paid $400 for this. I believe you can still get these out there. Something worth checking out. I just want to show you how I sharpen my tools using this jewel tool. Okay, so the first step in this, and I'm going to sharpen this gouge right now. It's pretty sharp, but you can see how much I've used it. I mean, it's shiny. I mean, it gets used a lot. So what you do is you just take a marker and you mark the blade like that. Just using a marker, plain old marker. And you turn it on, and it's got a variable speed to it. And you can see the rotation is kind of this way. So you just use this and you can orient it. See how that is? You can see exactly what you're doing because you can, as you're grinding it, you can look at the black and as it's getting worn off. Actually, that's not too bad. I'm going to do it again. That's actually a pretty good edge, just like it is. And you can still buy these. I guess the website is jeweltool.com. You know, after I'm done doing that, then the next procedure is what you've seen me do, which is just honing this tool. And for that, I'm gonna rough that up a little bit. Quick pass of the rouge. And I kind of give it a little bit of a roll when I'm sharpening it, slightly. I'll probably do this about 30 or 40 times. Oh my God, that is so sharp. Without a lot of work. I'll tell you what, this thing is dead on the money. Oh my gosh. Very sharp. And if I keep at it, I'll get it even further. And then you might say, well, what about the other side of the blade? Well, we do have a solution for that as well. I put a link to this, but this is just a way that you can sharpen other tools. You can see this one's all worn out to hell. A little bit of rouge. Here's the other side. Very sharp, without a lot of work. Very nice. And it takes that duck bill, you know, which is again, the tip of this blade gets rounded. And you need to kind of reform that. But for the most part, I mean, I can get away with honing now for a very long time, depending on how much I carve. But that's it, folks. I just wanted to show you this. Again, it's called the Jewel Tool. A blast from the past here. Probably bought this in 2008. 17, going on 18 years old. Kind of nice way to do it. You can see, the advantage here obviously is that you can see what you're grinding away. Pretty darn good. Thanks folks, till next time.